Hello, want to show you how to remove this bumper tail light for the Audi Q7. It's very easy. You need a flat screwdriver or something to remove this little cover, and the T20. It's kind of blurry. 220 stars, and you're gonna get this you push this cover up, it's like that. You push it up, with a screwdriver or something, and then it will come out like that. And then you go down here and you will see this the T20 bolt attached that was broken, so it's attached to the back of the tail light. Then you slide it out. You slide it out this way, and then you disconnect those two. Here's the other one. You disconnect this tube lock. You push this back, and then slide it. If it didn't go easy with you, you need to push it to the front a little bit. You push it to the front, and then you push this down again, and then you can get it out easy. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos. If you have any questions, just comment below.